This is the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Goldilocks. She went for a walk in the forest, and she came upon a house. She knocked, and when no one answered, she walked right in. At the table were 3 bowls of porridge. Goldilocks was hungry. She tasted the first porridge from the bowl. "This porridge is too hot," she exclaimed. So she tasted the porridge from the second bowl. "Ooh, this porridge is too cold," she said. So she tasted the last bowl. "Oh, this porridge is just right." And she ate it all up. After she'd eaten the 3 bears' breakfast, she decided she was feeling a little bit tired. So she walked into the living room where she saw 3 chairs. Goldilocks sat in the first chair to rest her feet. "This chair is too big," she exclaimed. So she sat in the second chair. "This chair is too big too." So she tried the last chair. "This chair is just right." But as she settled down, it broke into pieces. Goldilocks was very tired by this time, so she went upstairs to the bedroom. She lay down in the first bed, but it was too hard. Then she lay down in the second bed, but it was too soft. And then she lay down in the third bed, and it was just right. And Goldilocks fell asleep. As she was sleeping, the 3 bears came home. "Someone's been eating my porridge," growled Papa Bear. "Someone's been eating my porridge," said Mama Bear. "Someone's been eating my porridge, and they ate it all up," cried the baby bear. "Somebody's been sitting in my chair," growled Papa Bear. "Somebody's been sitting in my chair," said Mama Bear. "And somebody's been sitting in my chair, and it's broken to pieces," cried the baby bear. They decided to look around some more. When they got upstairs to the bedroom, Papa Bear growled, "Somebody's been sleeping in my bed." "Somebody's been sleeping in my bed too." "Somebody's been sleeping in my bed," said Baby Bear, "and she's still there." Just then Goldilocks woke up and saw the 3 bears. "Help!" she screamed, and she jumped up and ran out of the room and ran down the stairs and ran far away into the forest. And she never returned to the home of the 3 bears. The end.